in the library. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the City Library.
Thank you. I'd like to borrow some books.
Sure. Do you have a library card?
Yes. Here it is.
Thank you. Can I see it?
Here you go.
Great. Are you looking for any specific book?
Yes, a book on English grammar.
All right. Follow me to the English section.
Thank you.
Here we are. Do you need any recommendations?
Yes, please.
This book is good for beginners.
Perfect. I'll take this one.
Any other subjects?
Yes, I'm also interested in science books.
Science section is on the second floor.
Could you show me the way?
Sure. Take the stairs on the left.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have books on space exploration?
Yes, we have several.
Can I borrow one?
Of course, here is one about Mars missions.
That looks interesting. I'll take it.
How many books would you like to borrow?
Around 5 books.
That's fine. Do you need help finding them?
Yes, please.
All right, follow me.
Thank you.
Here are some books on history.
Great. I want one on World War II.
This one is recommended for students.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Anything else?
Yes, a book on computer programming.
Programming books are on the third floor.
Could you show me again?
Sure. Take the elevator on the right.
Got it. Thank you.
Here are some programming books.
I want one on Python.
This is a good choice for beginners.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Any books for leisure reading?
Yes, a novel would be nice.
Fiction section is on the first floor.
All right.
Here's a popular novel.
Looks interesting. I'll borrow this one.
Do you need a library card registration?
No, I already have one.
Great. Let's check out your books.
Okay.
How long can I borrow them?
Usually 2 weeks.
Can I renew them?
Yes, online or in person.
Perfect. How do I return books?
You can return them at the counter or the drop box.
Good. Any late fees?
Yes, 50 cents per day per book.
That's reasonable.
Can I read books here?
Yes, we have reading areas.
Great. Can I use a computer?
Yes, for research and study.
How long can I use the computer?
Maximum 2 hours per session.
Understood. Can I print documents?
Yes, there is a printing service.
Is there Wi-Fi available?
Yes, free Wi-Fi throughout the library.
Perfect. Are there study rooms?
Yes, you can reserve them online or here.
How many people can a study room hold?
Up to 6 people.
Great. Can I borrow magazines?
Yes, for reading in the library.
Can I take them home?
Some magazines can be borrowed, others only in-house.
Understood. Any rules about food and drinks?
No food or drinks allowed.
Okay. Any rules for silence?
Yes, please keep quiet in reading areas.
Of course. Can I reserve books online?
Yes, through the library website.
How long can I reserve?
Usually 1 week.
Perfect. Can I request new books?
Yes, fill out a request form.
Great. Any late book return penalties?
Yes, as mentioned earlier, $0.50 per day.
Can I pay online?
Yes, through your account on our website.
Good. Can I donate books?
Yes, donations are welcome.
Do you accept used books?
Yes, if in good condition.
Perfect. Can I volunteer at the library?
Yes, please apply at the front desk.
Great. Are there events at the library?
Yes, weekly workshops and reading sessions.
Can I join?
Yes, registration is online or here.
Perfect. Any children's section?
Yes, on the first floor.
My child loves reading.
We have storytime sessions every Saturday.
Wonderful. Are there audio books?
Yes, available for borrowing.
Can I listen in the library?
Yes, we have listening stations.
Great. Can I borrow DVDs?
Yes, for home use.
Are there restrictions?
Yes, some titles may be reference only.
Understood. Can I get library notifications?
Yes, via email or SMS.
Perfect. How do I find books quickly?
Use the online catalog or ask staff.
Can I reserve a computer?
Yes, through our website.
Any printing fees?
$0.10 per page.
That's reasonable.
Do you need help finding specific topics?
Yes, English grammar and programming books.
Already shown to you earlier.
Yes, thank you.
Anything else?
No, I think that's all.
All right. Enjoy your reading and borrowing.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.